Hey guys, today I'm building this awesome thing. I will show you how to build it. It might take a while for you. So, about anything, but in this case, I'm going to use thing. 1 iron, so 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just doing a 10 blocks wide because I don't want to build it any wider because I think 10 blocks wide is like enough. You could probably even build it 5 blocks, but it won't be good, so you could build it. But it might take a while, so you build this like this. I recommend you do this like 6 times. So I've done this 5. And then you go like this. It's a bit easy for me because I've built this before. So then you keep on building it. Then you keep on building it. Oh, sorry the noise. It's just my brother doing something. I'm not sure what he's doing. Only if you can hear it, if you got good hearing. Do you think that's wide enough? Wait, how much is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Probably isn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, it is. Then you do this. Wait, you just build one more wide. Don't hurt. Because I want it to be even. So I'm gonna build like stuff, one of those umbrellas each. Because I got 3 brothers. And you could live in this if you really want to, or you could just use it as a decoration, or just for like other people to live in, not you. You do that, and then you do this, and then go here. I recommend you do this like 5 times. See how I've done it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Then you could do something like that with the windows. And if you're a good builder, you could build this quick. You just have to leave that bit like that, right? Yeah. So you just have to leave a bit like that. But I'm not sure. Then you do the roof. I like building stuff like this because it's cooler. But if you want, you could just build it like that, normal. And I'm gonna, like, if you want me to demonstrate another one, I will demonstrate it because I got a few ones that I've built, but it's not like this. It's not a house. It is a house, but and I could build Hero Brian. I could build Steve. I could build. I'm not sure. I could build lots of stuff, but my cousins, they're so good at Minecraft, like building. They're creative. If you got a server that you would like me to join, you could let me join, and this can take you about 6 minutes. I'm not done. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not even, is it? Wait. Oh. This one, and then I dig up that. And if you want to be more creative, you could go like this, and then go like that. Just for a bit of safety. Right. And then you just do this in with glass pane. So if you're not really interested, I will just be back in 1 moment. So I told it would be that long. Whoa. How come I could? Yeah. It's like that. It's kind of like a net, but this is my creation. So, and then this is what I done in the world. So, I done this. I got these stuff out. And the bed. And then I got dumb blocks. No, wait, 1, 2, 5, yep. I got, and then I put diamond box here. Nah, didn't do that, whoops. Then I put chest here for the people to put their stuff in it. Right, so like that, and then I've done this, and then done that, then I've done this. Right, but if you want, you could do this. This is what I think I've done. Not really sure because I've done this like a long time ago. And I deleted the world because I'm crazy. Then I'll grab some cake. Do you know how you kill magmas? You get the cream, I'll tell you how. I killed some magmas and then I got the cream, and the cream was called magma item cream or something. So that's all, but I'm gonna do the other 3 and I'm gonna be back, and it's not gonna take a while. Guys, I told you that would be quick, but I just wanted to build this one like this. So I'm gonna place everything in like exactly the same. And then you get the iron block, and then go up 1, 2, 3, and then go with that 1, 2, 3, and then you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait. Oops. Done a little bit of a mistake, so then you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right. So, if you want next video, I could build Herobrine or anything else, or I'll just continue it with this video. Let me just, it's a bit short, so I'll probably make it with this video.